Good evening, guys. Today's live session is about study artificial intelligence and robotics in abroad. So we'll just wait for a few minutes so that others can join the session. I hope everyone can hear me. If you can hear me, can you please just drop a message? Okay, anyway, thank you. I think enough people have joined the session, so we'll start. My name is Sharanya. I am the consul from Advice International. Today's live is about study artificial intelligence and robotics in abroad. So first we look what is artificial intelligence. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Robotics is a study and application of robot technology. Robot is a mechanical device that performs human tasks either automatically or by remote control. With every passing year, the world is becoming increasingly automated. In many areas, artificial intelligence has taken the driving seat. From serving food at restaurants to wash cars, doing surgery on grave, robots are everywhere. With the advent of big data and the Internet of Things, the robot industry is growing rapidly. With so much popularity and demand of the robots, people are getting more and more interested in learning robotics, and many are looking at studying it. Students can choose various courses under UG and PG level related to artificial intelligence and robotics. Ranges from diploma, advanced diploma, bachelor's to master's, postgraduate diploma and PhDs. So we discuss about the UG courses under artificial intelligence and robotics. Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, major in Artificial Intelligence, Bachelor of Automation and Robotics, Bachelor of Applied Science in Electrical Engineering, Robotics and Control, Honors Bachelors of Science in Computer Science in Artificial Intelligence, Diploma in Business Information Technology Management in Artificial Intelligence, Advanced Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Robotics and Automation. Duration of UG courses ranges from 2 years to 4 years depending on the course you are opting. And we'll discuss about the entry requirement for UG. So we need a class 12th grade with 55% minimum. The documents we need are copies of official academic qualification and certificates, proof of English language proficiency scores based on respective country requirement, a copy of current valid passport. Now we'll look into the program structure. The program content and structure of artificial intelligence degree will be different from university to university. It's quite common for artificial intelligence to be combined with another subject, for example, computer science or robotics. It's therefore important to look closely at curriculum and modules that makes up each program before you apply. Most artificial intelligence programs will be made up of mandatory modules and electives modules. You can choose yourself. This means that you can tailor part of your degree to match your interests and career plans. At UG level, you can study artificial intelligence over 3 or 4 years as Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Engineering. The main difference will be that the Bachelor of Engineering may be accredited by engineering body and focus more on engineering side of subject. Some common areas and subjects you can expect to cover are principles of programming and computation, system and architecture, algorithm design, software engineering, fundamentals of artificial intelligence, mathematical techniques for artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, artificial neural networks. Master's degree in artificial intelligence are offered at several top-ranked universities in the world. One can also opt to study artificial intelligence specialized degree abroad, which are highly acclaimed around the globe. Pursuing masters in artificial intelligence abroad is excellent choice as scope and extent of study courses are superior knowledge oriented and vast. Along with that, there are various instances that will prompt working under expertise of artificial intelligence professionals. Many Indian students enroll for this program as the diversity of experiences and learning is extensive. So now we'll see the syllabus of artificial intelligence and robotics course. The main subjects are artificial intelligence programming, applications of artificial intelligence system, design, cloud computing, network analysis. The prerequisite for master's degree programs vary based on the program and the university. However, in general, you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in artificial intelligence or robotics related field, such as computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, etc. Also, you need to have a good overall score, usually 60% in the minimum score required, but depending on the universities, it may vary. Talking about GPA, a GPA of 3 and above out of 4 is considered to be the good score. Talking about knowledge, in general, there are certain subjects and skills that will help you in your MS in artificial intelligence and robotics. Some of the subjects and skills are advanced engineering mathematics, wherein topics like Fourier series, Laplace transformation, linear algebra, etc. You need to know the basic electronics knowledge, strength of material and design of machines, coding and programming, design software, soldering. So if you are applying for a master program at foreign university, make sure that you have an relevant knowledge of subject as well as skills. It will not only help you in getting admissions, but also will help you in understanding things during the course more easily. The documents required to apply for these programs are transcript and academic record, letters of recommendation, resume, statement of purpose, passport, test scorecard like English proficiency test as well as GRE, GMAT depends on the university requirement. According to the Gartner report of 2019, there has been 270% growth in applications of artificial intelligence from 2015 to 19. Thus, the importance of artificial intelligence is bound to climb high in future. So they are being used in areas such as healthcare, education, sports, agriculture, construction, banking, marketing, e-commerce, etc. So now we'll discuss about the career opportunities in artificial intelligence and robotics. So one can work under big data engineer, business intelligence developer, data scientist, artificial intelligence data analyst, machine learning engineer, research scientist, product manager, artificial intelligence engineer, robotics scientist, robotics programmer, robotics system engineer, robotics design engineer, automated product design engineer, robotics test engineer. So we advise conducting a virtual fair on 10th November, that is tomorrow, Tuesday, from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. via Zoom application for artificial intelligence and robotics aspirants. So the participating universities are Aberystwyth University UK, Keele University UK, University of Strathclyde UK, City University of London UK, Sheffield Hallam University UK, University of Edinburgh UK, University of Sheffield UK, University of Plymouth UK, University of Nottingham UK, University of New South Wales Australia, Study Group and University of Advanced Technology USA. So you guys can join the session and you can clear all your doubts with the university delegates directly during this time. And also if you guys have any doubts or concern, please reach out us in any of the social media platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or else you can dial our toll-free number, that is 1-800-102-0336. Or else you can just WhatsApp us on 8600-911-333. The respective country counselors will be contacting you when you are reaching us through WhatsApp or toll-free number. So if you guys have any doubts, you can just drop a message in the chat box, so I will address those. Tahir, may I know which country you are looking for? I think there are no more questions here. And thank you so much for joining the session.